Hello friends, this is Charu Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel DPSE Learners. So in this video, we will talk about ideas to celebrate Diwali virtually. Basically, activities for primary and pre-primary classes. So let's begin. First of all, a very happy Diwali to each one of you. So first activity you can conduct in your classes is role play. You can conduct role play in which students can play the role of Ramayana characters like Ram, Sita, Lakshman, Hanuman. So students can play the role of Ramayana characters and they can speak some lines on that role. Next activity is you can conduct quiz on Ramayana or Diwali. You can conduct quiz according to the classes. Like if you are teaching nursery and KG, so you can take simple question like who was Ram, who was Sita, like that. And if you are teaching upper classes or higher classes, so you can conduct quiz according to the whole Ramayana. Now move on to next activity. Next activity is you can conduct Diwali story. You can conduct this Diwali story session in your nursery to class second sessions. Because these students are small, so you can conduct a story session in which they get to learn about Diwali. Right. Now move on to next activity. Next activity is you can conduct dance competition. Yes, on Diwali we can conduct inter-class dance competition or inter-house. If you have houses in your school, so you can conduct inter-house competition, and if you don't have houses, so you can conduct inter-class competition like nursery and KG, or inter-section competitions can also help. So nursery and KG, first and second, so you can conduct these competitions like that. Move on to next activity. Next activity is song plus bhajan. Student can sing bhajans or songs related to Diwali, and this is a type of singing competition or inter-class singing competition. Next is poem recitation competition. So poem recitation competition in which students can recite rhyme on Diwali. This is misspelled, so students can recite poems on Diwali like Diwali आई घर घर में खुशियाँ लाई. So for class nursery and class KG, students can recite these poems. Next is puppet show. You can conduct puppet on any scene of Ramayana or the whole Ramayana in a crisp way. So you can conduct a puppet show in which you can show the scene of Ram and Sita, Ravan Vad, like that. Next is the activities and craft. Basically, these are the mandatory ones. Like without these, our celebration will be incomplete. So for nursery and KG, you can take coloring sheets along with the craft activities like candle craft, diya craft, toran making activity, wall hanging, rangoli craft, or many types of activities will be uploaded on my channel related to Diwali. So yeah, that's all about the activities related to Diwali, or you can say ideas to celebrate Diwali virtually. So I hope you liked my video, and if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.